got a bit of a cornice on this one. It's about a 10 foot. Ella? No?
I'm not listening to a local again.
What's up, guys? We're at Keystone today. It is just before lunch. It's been really warm lately, so I figured we just let the snow soften up. I know, we're both dying. It must be about 40 something degrees here. It's hot. We'll see how that works out for us, but we're gonna go straight up to the top. And we are currently at a heart pounding, I don't know what.
I think this is 11,604.
Every time I bend over, my head feels like it's gonna blow up for a minute. So right up the top of the gondola at Summit House, we are going to take either Mozart down, or if you want to take Mine Shaft, down to here, and then we'll hop this lift back up, and this should get us into this black train. You guys ready? I think I'm ready. How about you, Ella?
Too long.
I know. Views are pretty killer today. So clear. You can see Breckenridge right off over there, nestled up against that range. And that's what we'll be skiing right there. I don't know if we're gonna head up to the upper bowls, which are over here. I say we get 3 runs in over there and we see how we feel.
Yeah.
You wanna follow?
Yeah.
She likes me to find the icy spots first. Snow feels good. It's a little soft in the sun. I don't know what that person's doing. God, that edge I hit the rock on last week, whew, it's not there. Oh, I hit a little slick spot.
Yeah, there's some quite slick spots actually.
Whew, didn't realize my heart rate was that high.
Me neither. I think I might take it a little slower.
Yeah, I'm gonna zigzag around these islands. Whew, it's a little sticky in spots in here. All right.
There was like some bumps out of nowhere.
I was hitting like sticky spots. This is slushy. Oh, she's already down. She's just got it floored today. Came up the Santiago lift right behind us, or right in front of us actually, and we're just picking out what trail to do.
Yes, I want to go up there.
She wants to go up there next. All right, so let's cut across to this. I just want to see if you can get on my own. That's our plan.
There you go.
And another one. So we're just gonna traverse this. And then I promise we'll get back to skiing the Black Dutchman. We just want to go up and get up above the tree line here. There's a big lodge down there. Alright guys, I was just inspecting this edge and like, it's literally smooth. Tiny bit there, nothing there, a little bit on this tail. I'm gonna do something pretty ghetto. I'm gonna take the awl from my Swiss Army knife. You hear that? It's horrible. This is precision work here. Don't try this at home, kids. Tell you, don't got much. All right, I tried mending my ski with a pocket knife. We'll see how that works. Right there. How's this feel? Oh, I've got grip. Nice. Swiss Army knife to the rescue. I know the GoPro's not doing this justice. Got a bit of a cornice on this one. It's about a 10 foot. Ella? No?
Not listening to a local again.
Yeah. I might be able to do it, but we're gonna find an easy way in. We're gonna take the East Coast way in, maybe down over that bridge over there. I gotta tighten up my boot. It feels really funky. Oh. It's crusty. I have to make my turns count. It's still really steep. It's fun though. This snow's really wet. and pretty heavy. All right. Oh boy. Definitely lightheaded. Under. Like little cookies. So thick. That's way better. Sweating to death. So hot. It was fun. It was work though. And the wet snow is a little.
Good practice for Killington, I guess, in June.
Yeah. I'm not complaining. I'm just worried about torturing my knee. First day out in our adventure. So that was 1,300 feet from up there. And yeah, that top cornice was a big one.
It's a doozy.
And then some of the rocks up there, a little scary. But I don't know. We picked our way through it. It was fun. May not be the most epic skiing I've ever done, but I'm pretty happy with it.
Yeah. And I will say, even at 13,000 feet, last year at 11,000 feet, I was breathing a lot heavier.
It's true.
So
we're doing pretty good so far.
Even though I kept saying I'm oxygen deprived, which I am, I'm less oxygen deprived than last year.
Yeah, totally. I guess we're gonna head back down to the lift.
We put on a show everywhere we go. We live our lives hooked up to the show. It's virtual reality.
Did we do bumps?
Lost in space.
No, those aren't fun. Those aren't fun.
Be who you wanna be. Make up the memory. It's virtual reality.
That was better.
Rewrite your destiny.
Cross my T's up.
It's virtual reality.
That looks like more fun. Let's do what she's doing.
Everyone loves to read about your life, but no one can
It's
know
like tapping me right up in the air. I was like, I don't know what's happening here.
It looks like fun.
boost up your confidence. Type it down. Don't mind the evidence, just spin it round. Be who you wanna be. Make up a memory. It's such a reality. Rewrite your destiny. Pick any fantasy. It's such a reality.
Well, I think we're doing all right for our first day out. I am huffing and puffing. Having to take many breaks just to get my wind back. Well, I think we're gonna try this bullet. Get you guys a different angle. Life of a YouTuber. There's changing cameras. Still breathing hard though. How about you, Wes?
Yeah, we have gone down in elevation, but it's still high. It's still really high. Is there a good view over there? Oh, look at the view.
The view is stunning. We'll take a picture. This view. I was just saying the guy who was giving the bump lesson on that last trail gave her the thumbs up.
Yeah. Made me feel good.
I bet. I bet.
Alright. Let's go eat some food before I pass out.
I was just thinking that. I'm not feeling so froggy. Oh boy. Oh, these are very tight. I don't feel like I want to do a whole lot of bumps. Oh, there's no trough. Here's a trough. Whew, that's steep. I'm going for the mellow stuff till I get some food in me. I think this is Dutchman. Not really sure. My legs are getting spongy.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
It's pretty much like this all the way to the bottom, guys. So if something cool comes up, we'll turn it on. Other than that, we'll see you at lunch. Just dawned on us that we're eating the pizza so fast that we didn't share it with you guys. So there you go. We shared. Now we're gonna eat the rest of the pizza. Thanks for watching. We don't have it in us to continue skiing after we ate all that pizza. So we're gonna head home, sleep, take the day off tomorrow, and then we'll see you at Copper. So we're gonna get a day in a rest and do Copper Mountain. Copper Mountain. I'm tired.
Yeah.
I'm wimpy.
The sun's in our face, making us more tired.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.